Hey guys, it's Bucks County Paranormal here. I just got the Sony FDR ax53. It's right here. I just got back from Best Buy and picked it up. And here's my receipt. I pretty much paid like $849.99. And for this micro SD card, I paid $55. I took it out already because they're a pain in the ass to get out. And I got the 1-year extended warranty for XL drop and stuff. You might say, how do you afford this camera? Well, I have a Best Buy credit card, which it is. I pay anything that's over $399. I get 12-year finance with no interest, so that's the reason how I got it. As long as I pay like the $70 a month, it should pay it off 1 year. And this camera does have night vision. You might say, Sony doesn't make night vision cameras anymore. Yes, Sony still makes night vision cameras. I'll be showing you. This is a 2017 model. They didn't come out their 2018 one. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Their limited warranty card. And their financial card, I guess. Manual. AV cable. USB cord. Does it take micro or mini? Ah, it takes micro USB now. I guess this is the HDMI cord, okay. And this is a power brick to basically hook it up so I don't have to use batteries. Put that back there, and their batteries back here. Right here. They're ax53 batteries, which I'm not going to be using because I have like third-party batteries, which the image they claim is not correct. That's how they all are. Put this back in. Now for the camera. Here it is, the Sony FDR ax53. Has 55mm lens, so you've got lens. I think it takes 55mm, I could be wrong. And to focus, like manual focus, you gotta turn this front right here. And it's true 4K. So right there, has night shot for night vision. Let me put the SD card in. I think it goes this way. I don't even know which way it goes in. Okay, that way. And it also has a viewfinder right there. I have no idea how long this LCD screen is. Right here, I got my third-party battery. And it really sticks out. The camera I'm using right now is the SR12. You can see the front lens. It moves around. That's a Boss image stabilization feature where the lens just moves around in there. Right here, this is the screen. They changed the whole screen interface from I'm used to. English. Oh, I gotta hit next. I guess that's correct. Yeah, that's a Easter time zone. I'm assuming. Set to daily saving times. The month, day, and year. Next. And it's the... Oops. I have no idea what today's date is. The 8th. Sorry, I'm mining in and it's 10:46. To 10:47. Oh, seriously? Okay, next. And okay. These batteries give me 4 hours and almost 5 hours. By the way, here, this is the mic right here. And this is the zoom in, zoom out, photo. And to record, you gotta hit that button right there. Let me go to menu, shooting mode, movie, camera, mic. I usually like having focus on manual because when you're doing paranormal investigation, sometimes you have to do manual focus because sometimes your camera just refuses to focus. White balance on. Okay. Now I just gotta figure out how to turn right now. It's in 4K. Let me do it this way. Size, frame rate 30. Can I record still image? I don't. Okay, I need higher memory card for that one. So, change back to 60. We go setup. I think it has. Turn night shot on. Oops. It's right there. Night shot's on. I think it has the light on. Yep. That little infrared light right there. I'm trying to figure out how to turn it off so it doesn't drain the battery. That's what I'm doing right now. And as I'm talking, you can see right there the audio levels. Well guys, this is video of me boxing the Sony FDR ax53. I want to add another video to test out the night vision on this camera. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video and check out my other paranormal videos out. Alright, this is night vision test. So far it's pretty damn good. This is me coming down the stairs. It's not completely night. See, that's what it looks like. It is really good, the night shot on this camcorder. It's better than my old one. Like, by far better. And here there's light because of sun. But the night shot on this thing is awesome. I can't wait to use it in complete dark. It's so much more better compared to my HDR SR12. So, if you guys looking for a camcorder, I would suggest this for a night shot because it's far better. It's like way better. Well guys, in this video, hope you guys enjoyed.